Got that? Okay, let's go forward. Oh, it's already getting us, huh? Alright, when it turns red, that's when we stop the car. There we go. And here we go. Are you ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, look at the little cool lights. They're blue lights. They're awesome. Wow, that's high-tech car wash, man. This is awesome, bro. We got a free super wash, everybody. Look at the rainbow colors on the screen. This is a super wash, so we got the deluxe. I was driving up to the gas pump to get, get a little gas and pay for the cheapest car wash they had. And what do I see? But a receipt hanging out of the pump that nobody took. Like, go, it can't be. I can't be that lucky. And I look at the receipt, and sure enough, there's a car wash code on it. And not just any car wash code. No, no, no. This is the super wash, man. $11 code. I got a super wash for free. Now, that is awesome. That is ridiculously awesome. Because the only way I could get this little boy here to go to Party City and pick out a costume, which we got Captain America, was if I agreed to take this little dude to Golden Valley Show. And I'm like, okay, if you go to Party City with me, I'll take you to Golden Valley Show. I figure, get him a costume. It's worth a $6 car wash. Yeah, make sure that you get Halloween. You got this thing for free. And not just any car wash, like we said. The super car wash. Hey Matthew, hey Matthew. We got a car wash, Matthew. Matthew, I can't see your face. Look at me, Matthew. There's the Matt.